Good morning. I hope you are well. Today is 20 June 2025, and today we are checking out. Time now is 7 o'clock. At 10 o'clock we are leaving Mbombela. Here is a nice one. I don't want to lie, and this place is very beautiful. This hotel is beautiful, but not necessarily cheap if you want to come and stay here. Before taking shower though, I'm just going to read just few pages from my book, 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. Then take a shower. Just took a bath. Now I need to pack my stuff. I need to pack my clothes and be ready to leave because we're leaving in an hour. Then eat breakfast. Then we're ready to leave Mbombela and go to Johannesburg. It's a 4-hour drive, so it's quite a long drive. Okay, now I'm done. I have to leave. We're checking out in 10 minutes time. And I haven't eaten anything. Hope I'm not leaving anything behind. Finished eating breakfast. Now we leave. That's our car. And that is our car. Seems like I'm the only one who is ready to leave. I was eating breakfast with them. Clearly they haven't checked out yet. I just wait for them here. And then I'm going to Joburg with this car. I left like cappuccino. This province is beautiful. We're still in Mpumalanga to buy some few stuff. It's a 4-hour drive, so we'll arrive the afternoon, 4:30 to be exact. Now the time is 12:30, so there's still that. Now our car is full. I'm sitting at the back. animal zoo. I don't even know, but there's something very cool that I want to show you. You know, have you ever seen buffaloes, zebras? Is it a pet? No, they're not cool. But let me show you this real fast. Let's go and stand over there. Those are buffaloes over there, and those are rhinos. Over there we have zebras, and I think those are deers or something. How cool. Oh, there's no silent ostrich. Take a look. That thing is huge. Yeah? Made it back to Johannesburg safely. I made it back home alive and safe. Now let me go in. Back in my 5-star hotel room. Happy to have made it back safely. So yeah, today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, and I'm going to my part-time job, you know. So I don't want to lie, the program, everything went well according, you know. And then July, because only 1 week left. July, our month in July is very busy, as you will see, you know. So that was it for today's vlog. I will see you when I see you. Bye bye.